My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. They say in one way they have gathered, in thousand ways they shall scatter. If the gathering is not of God, my people, tori don wowo. Una see this man wey they call Ipa. Finally, people wey in gather together to take humiliate Regina Daniel. The people they don't they fall out o. Ipa don dey run now say make dem give am all im money put together wey im don carry put under their custody, all in the name of say e wan bring down small girl wey e fit born. My people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear tori wey dey ground. Tori don wowo. Before I go cap una the cocoa of the cocoa, make I no come forget to do the needful. I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Una remember when Reggie come out, come cry, say, in Ned Woko's house, I am nobody, but in my house, I am a queen. When everybody come dey drag Nollywood actresses and actors, them say, come, how come una no dey talk concerning this Regina Daniel and Ipa matter? Is it because na family matter? But at least for the fact say this girl don't cry, say see wetin she dey go through, see wetin this man don't do to her, see wetin this man don't do to her, knowing fully well that she has been a good person under una administration. They can't even dey drag the president of the Actors Guild of Nigeria in person of Emeka Rollas. Say if to say na money now, na Regina Daniel say make they come collect. If don't waka come collect am. But as he reach the one where we say the girl they go through a lot now, which she needed them the most at this vulnerable moment of hers, they are nowhere to be found. Now Emeka Rollas, for him to have come out, come talk, he can't decide Ipa, saying that no be lie, Ipa lie, Regina Daniel need rehabilitation. And the last time we say then do get together, we should do her pikin birthday, where she invited people for upstairs, she they come down, she they do like say she won't fall, she be like say she no won't fall, this one, that one. Now waiting go come out, come tweet with that, come confirm to waiting Ipa talk. We make them drag the man like apart my neighbor generator say, even if not true, waiting Ipa talk, must you come and confirm it? Knowing fully well that it was the coming of this girl, now he make una know Ipa. And because of this same girl, now Ipa agreed to become una grand patron, so that una go feed go collect money for in hand every Eke market day, whether una get occasion or no get occasion, una will carry AGN head title, I mean paper heading, letter heading, go collect money for Ipa hand. And as a result of the Regina and the mother, based on the passion where they get for acting, now I make him be they do all the things we in they do. So several times they don't use money, Ipa don't use money, take Kolobi, the AGM president, make if he favor Mama Regina Daniel in terms of election, so that she will become the next president of the Actors Guild of Nigeria if Emeka Rollas come out. Of which the Emeka Rollas, they say allegedly he agreed to, he collect money finish. When this whole thing can start, now during that time where they want to do election, what did this man go later do? He come out come talk say, at this point in time, so many people look, as in so many people, they look up to AGN. Say, and as such, it will not be a good one if they carry the AGN president, carry give person where we say, they go through a lot. In daughter, they go through some kind scandal where we say it's not a good one in the society. So as such, Mama Regina Daniel should focus more on carrying her daughter to rehab and forget about becoming a president of the Actors Guild of Nigeria. Before you know, this man don't bring out new person, Yakubu something, I been waiting with the person name. He said I ain't go take over him. Let election begin. And knowing fully well that nobody was contesting against Mama Regina Daniel before, so she have every high chance of becoming the president of the Actors Guild of Nigeria. Now we come dey hear say it was all planned work just to frustrate the process so that Regina Daniel go return back because of her mama becoming the president of the Actors Guild. But they no know talk say at this point in time, Regina Daniel and her family, they don't pass this level. They no dey for that level again. The little girl don't become lady. She has make up her mind that she is done. Nothing wey una wan use take kolobi her. Now wey they come announce am, they later carry am give another person, the person win, e take over and all. Na Ipa consent, say Kate Tension was part of the newly elected social secretary of the AGN wetin forum. Na dey carry give popular Nollywood actress Kate Tension. So that during that time, Ipa also talked to her concerning the Regina matter on top of druggy matter. So she was even highly disappointed that Regi could go this length to do some kind things because of man. So the one way she dey touch herself, dey send for the man anytime wey she don high like this, wey the man no dey around, she go do video send am for the man. So when she see am, she was like, small girl like you, wetin Ipa wan tell you wey go make you stoop so low, come dey do all these things? You no know the repercussion, because una know say Regi come out come talk say the only thing left wey Ipa never use take tarnish her image na her video. So and she dey wait say if im bring out the video, na im be say this one that one. People come dey ask say which video be that one? Shebi Regina Daniel go Nakademus another man, abi which video are they talking about? Na video of where she dey touch im body, dey touch herself, dey send for am o. And na im say im want am o, she do and send am for am. He wan come use am take blackmail her, take capture her, make she no voice out or make she no go anywhere, make she remain with her. So as Kate Tension come see that this thing, she was highly disappointed that Regina Daniel can take druggy to take reach the one wey be say she don dey kolo mentus. She no know wetin she dey do again to come carry her body dey send am for man. What if tomorrow he use am against you? So she was highly disappointed, but she never collected money for any reason. But according to now, say the AGN former president collected money allegedly during that time from Ipa's hand. Now wey the thing don gbes, una know say Regina Daniel release a new movie titled Love Me Twice, wey she say na she produce am and na she still be the writer, but she no drop am for her own YouTube channel o. She drop am for Uche Obinabo TV. Now as that particular video surface, wey Regina Daniel come out come tell the world say na she get am o, and that she is really happy that the world really, her fans make her discover who she really is by making the remaining puzzle wey she get left come to manifestation, and that she's going to open her own TV, knowing fully well that if Regina Daniel succeed open her own TV, she has just been set free from satanic and financial, as in she has just been set free totally from poverty, because no how if she produce, she must gain something out of it at the end of the day. So and Ipa no want that one. Na im go tell dem say shebi im bin tell dem, e give dem money say make dem make sure say dem do everything humanly possible make Regina Daniel no feature for any film, make nobody call her, make she no do anything at all. Shebi im give dem money make dem do all that one. Na im dey say the president come dey shocked. He say yes now, say and of which im dey try im best, say make im observe all the people wey be say she act with for that film na people wey be say dem no be AGN, dem no dey part of AGN, and na people wey be say im now the Emeka rulers im no fit control, because na Uche Montana. And no forget say Ipa talk say Uche Montana dey part of people wey dey follow Regi dey take Ukpomili allegedly, according to the Ipa. So as he say Uche Montana and all, say if you observe na people wey be say dem no dey settle with the Ipa, im no go fit talk to dem make dem no feature make Regina Daniel no feature dem or make dem no feature Regina Daniel. So e get limit to wetin im fit do. Dey say na dat one na im prepare am for body o. Say a whole AGM president dey talk say e get limit to wetin im fit do, after which im bin tell am so that by the time wey e frustrate the process, e make the girl look stupid. The girl no go get option but to return back to am. Say toh she no get where to go. Everybody don turn their back on her. Even the AGM, the actors, everybody don turn their back. So wetin she get left na to return back na, make she go continue with the kind life wey God create her come this life come live. Whereas na lie or na him plan am. Na him, as they say, Emeka Rollas tell her like that. Say im get limit to wetin, na that one na him come pain Ipa. Ipa come tell her now say all the money wey im don carry give am over time, including that 100 million naira wey im come out come deny say they no put am for im own account o, say na AGN account and na film im say na im Ipa talk say make dem use am act. Im no for im no talk say na for personal use, and im no send am for im personal account, this one that one. Ipa say as a grand patron wey im be, im get screenshot of all the things wey im don pay, all the things wey im don do, most especially the one wey be say na financial matter wey im don do concerning AGM. So he needed a refund. I say before una no know the kind person wey this man be, una no know say na another kind of person wey be say if things no work im way, e go must look for wetin e go take on scatter the whole place. The same person wey go buy car finish give im wives dem, time go reach e go say no na general car, no be their name dey for receipt, make dem dey go, make dem leave the car. Person wey go buy car give im mother-in-law, time go reach e go go collect the car. Na that kind person na you go dey trust? Hey, you go explain tire, no evidence. Now na dem say Ipa say make dem return back all the money. E come go dey call Kay Ten Sion say after everything wey im don do for AGM, Kay Ten Sion get mind go dey apologize to Mama Regina. Una remember say the last time they say Kay Ten Sion go dey apologize to Mama Regina, saying that wetin really crack her up by coming after Regina Daniel back to back to blame her during that time na because of the video wey she see and so on and so forth. Mama Regina say she don forgive. Na that one na im pain Ipa. Say why she go dey beg for forgiveness. This one, that one. Na she too, she even tell Ipa to im face say she is highly disappointed in him. Say as she see that video wey im send for her, na that time she know talk say he never loved Regina Daniel. Because if he love her, he shouldn't have done that. Sending her a video wey be say she no wear cloth, she dey do some kind things, just sending am from me wey I be woman, not to come talk of say you come send am to a man. Na im be say nothing wey you no go fit do to prove a point. So I am highly disappointed in you for what you have done. Go to any length if you like, but just know that I cannot continue to support you, and that is why I went to ask for forgiveness from the Regina and her mother, of which I have cleared my conscience. Na im dey say Ipa start swell up. E swell up like beans wey dem soak for inside water wey dem dey wash for moi. E don swell up. Say hey, na she say toh for the money matter, I never collected money from you. If you want your money, if you know you gave anybody money to defame Regina Daniel or to drag her because of you, go to that person and collect your money. I am working for AGN does not mean my life depends on them. So anywhere you keep your money, go and collect your money. Na how matter o. But Ned go dey insist that he needs his money with immediate effect. Now AGN don scatter. Money wey be say they don chop forget. Now it's time to remit. How they go take explain this one now? Wey make dem talk am say be careful the kind fight wey you go dey chook your hand inside, because last if na fire wey dey burn one, you go chook your hand inside, e go also burn you too. Na im be this one so. Now Regina no gree go back. Now Regina dey progress. Now na una dey collect. No be juju be that. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I come let una know say people wey gather against one person, one small girl, they don dey go against each other o. E never even reach anywhere. Like joke like play, everywhere don dey scatter. Make una come make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted. This I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.